Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. These arrived today, so I'm going to be sowing them because I've got a heated greenhouse, so I can sow them this time of year. But it says on the back here, there you go, Tomato Gardener's Delight, Thompson and Morgan. Wonderful tangy flavour. These taste absolutely delicious, these. The true tangy flavour of tomatoes from yesteryear. The bite-sized cherry tomatoes are undeniably sweet and ideal for salads, sandwiches and lunchboxes, packed full of essential vitamins suitable for greenhouses or outdoor growing. Right, sowing instructions. Place seed on the surface of a good free draining damp seed compost. Cover with a fine sprinkling of compost or vermiculite. Place in a propagator at a constant temperature of around 18 to 20 Celsius, 64 to 68 Fahrenheit, until after germination, which usually takes 7 to 14 days. Growing on instructions. Transplant seedlings when large enough to handle into 7.5 3-inch pots. Planting final situation when 20 centimeters high. Apart, remove side shoots regularly. So yeah, as you can see there, sowing instructions, when to sow. Let's get them open, shall we? See what's inside. I always open them from the bottom. Nice little snip just along there, just get it open. In here it says there is 50 seeds, which is that is definitely plenty enough. So out of the way, let's get some compost in here first. This is a peat-based compost. I'm looking for a peat-free one. If anybody's got any good suggestions, what you need to do is fill it till there's probably half an inch, a centimetre from the top, and then give it a good break it, any lumps up you want to break it up into every corner, run it nice and level. Then with your little piece of wood, gently like so. Yeah, I bought these came yesterday, these half trays with lids on, because the propagator is not performing as well as I want it to, and I've run out of the large size ones with lids. They've all been binned this year, so I've had them for 10 or 15 years. Yeah, got a good tap down. Right, let's get in here and have a look at these, shall we? Straight across the top again. I always use a pair of scissors because then they're easy to fold over and save for later. I think we all know what tomato seeds look like. If you've ever had a tomato sandwich or a full tomato with some salt on it, see the seeds inside. Seed rows there. I'll just get the enlarger. You can see there. The thing about these, they're big enough that you can plant them separately, so let's just get these on here. I'm only going to plant probably 10 or 15. I've got 50 to sow, so don't need them all. And once you've got some growing, you can take cuttings off them quite easily, so you don't need to grow loads. You can also start seeds from seed bought tomatoes, which I'll probably try in the next few weeks. Some of my favourite varieties. Right, once they've sown like so, all we need to do then is just get a little bit of compost, rub it in between your hands just to cover it, just to lightly cover the seeds. Doesn't have to be massive. And then all we need is our name tag, Gardener's Delight Tomato, with the date it was sown. All I'll do then is give it a little sprinkle with water from the top, and then put it in my tray to get it watered some more. Right, welcome back, folks. These have been watered now. Out of the way. These have been watered. Now all I'm going to do now is on my heated bench with my 3 double LED batten lights, which produce loads of really nice light for them. Once they're in water like this, I'll show you what's underneath here. People have been asking me how I heat the benches. Well, I have 3 heat mats like so. Move it all the way along. they're not actually waterproof, these heat mats. These are the cheaper ones, only like £4 or £5 each. So what I do is put some cardboard underneath to help reflect the heat back up, and then cover the heat mats with this nice thick Mylar black and white sheeting, just to keep any moisture and any damp off them. Anyway, back to the tomatoes. Once you've watered them like so, and you've drained them, all you need to then put them on here on the heat mat, and then stick this little lid on top. That will help retain all the moisture, help the seeds germinate. As soon as they've germinated, all you have to do is take the lid off, and they'll be fine then. Yeah, so I hope you like the videos, folks. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.